Hello guys. How are you guys? I hope everyone are staying safe and do well. Okay, in this video, I'm going to cook our local Sarawakian food that we call Ayam Pansuh. Before I start cooking, let me introduce a little bit about myself. My name is Keren. I'm 27 years old. I'm from Kuching, Sarawak. Okay guys, before I start cooking, let me introduce some of the ingredients here. So, we have bamboo, 500 gram chicken, cut into small pieces. Then we have tapioca leaf, Umbut tepus, we call it Tepus, lemongrass, Daun bungkang, ginger, red onion and garlic. And here we have salt. Firstly, we take this chicken and then salt, don't forget to put our ginger, red onion and garlic. Then we mix it together. Take our tepus, put all inside and mix it with this chicken. Don't forget our lemongrass and daun bungkang. Then we mix it together. Okay guys, now we will put this chicken inside our bamboo. Okay, almost finished. Okay, lastly, don't forget to put our tapioca leaf. Okay guys, lastly, we will put our pansuh into the fire. So basically it will cook after 30 minutes. So stay tuned. Okay, now our ayam pansuh is ready to serve. So we put into the bowl. Wow, very nice. The smell very nice. Okay, so now we're ready to eat. Let's try. So this is the tepus just now. You guys should try this at home. Very nice. So guys, that's all from me. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.